What's up, Eric Hong Vlogs?
This is Eric Hong Vlogs. I'm gonna go to the Monterey Wharf right now. It's gonna be a 4-hour excursion out on the boats, and it's gonna be awesome because we're gonna see killer whales, humpback whales, blue whales. We're gonna see all the whales. It's gonna be a good time. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
No.
I do want to know.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Go whale watching. Whale watching.
Sun on your shoulders, late afternoon. Music still playing inside your room. One more hour before the
You look
light
awesome.
goes down. You pull me closer without a sound. Summer on repeat, repeat.
Got the tickets. Sure. I'll take one. Tickets. Albino dolphin.
Here because we love these animals. So any questions you guys have throughout the trip, ask any one of us. We should be able to answer it.
Let's begin our marine mammal launch. Welcome aboard the Blackfin, everyone.
And we're off.
Sunlight falling through the trees. Warm wind moving past my sleeve. Someone laughing down the street. Everything feels soft and free. Nothing big, just nights like this. It's all the little
my
moments,
gosh.
the ones you never planned. Barefoot on the pavement, cold drink in your hand. Every second feels alive, like we're right where we should be. It's all the little moments that turn into memories. Old songs playing somewhere low, talking slow and moving slow.
Yeah, hey, he's called a Big Dipper.
Looking around and taking in everything we're standing in. No looking back, no thinking past. It's all the little moments.
Hi guys, I feel nauseous. The boat's rocking a lot now.
Might be
Feel seeing the whales.
That was pretty cool.
Mitch got sick, unfortunately.
Yeah, bitch got seasick. He's like in the back of the boat right now. He's puking.
The girls are doing amazing. The girls are living their best lives.
Where have you been, buddy?
I had so much fun out there. We should try to get on the next boat out. Do it again.
I was pretty nauseous there. Very nauseous. Didn't throw up, but very nauseous.
I threw up a lot and for a long time.
Look, the wharf is busy now. We're alive! I'm
It's all
alive.
the little moments, the ones you never planned. Barefoot on the pavement, cold drink in your hand. Every